Sarah sat in her classroom, staring at her notebook. She knew the words. She studied hard. But every time she tried to speak English, the whole class laughed. Her voice would break, her cheeks turned red, and she whispered to herself, "Maybe English is not for me. Maybe I'll always fail." If you've ever felt like Sarah, scared, embarrassed, or stuck in English, stay with me, because today I'll share not only Sarah's journey, but also 10 mistakes almost everyone makes, and how you can fix them instantly. By the way, this channel is for learners like you. If you want powerful stories plus real English hacks, like the video. Hit subscribe and turn on the bell icon so you never feel left behind again. Every day, Sarah carried the same sadness in her eyes. She had failed English again and again. She told Ali, her closest friend Sarah, "I think English is not for me." Ali looked at her and replied softly, "Ali, Sarah, don't give up. Just talk with me. Tell me what you feel, and I'll listen." And that's when it began, the small mistakes hidden inside her sentences, waiting to be fixed one by one. Mistake number 1. I am agree. Ali, Sarah, you are stronger than you think. Sarah with a sigh, yes, Ali. I am agree. Ali paused, then smiled. Ali, that's your first mistake. You don't need am. Just say, I agree, correct form, I agree. Wrong, I am agree. Mistake number 2, I didn't knew. Ollie, tell me what happened in the exam. Sarah, Ollie, it was hard. I didn't knew the answer to a single question. Ollie leaned forward, serious now. Ollie. Only one past tense is enough. Didn't is already past, so it's I didn't know, correct form. I didn't know, wrong. I didn't knew. Mistake number 3. He do, she do. Ollie, what about your teacher? Does he help you? Sarah, He do try sometimes, but Ollie raised his hand dramatically. Ollie, stop. With he, she, it, we use does. So it's, he does try. Correct form. He does, she does. Wrong, he do, she do. Mistake number 4. Much versus many. Ollie, how many books do you have for practice? Sarah, I don't have much books, Ollie. Ollie's eyes grew serious again. Ollie, books can be counted, Sarah. So it's many books, not much books. Correct form. Many books countable, much water uncountable. Wrong. Much books. Mistake number 5. I am liking. Ali, and now, do you feel better learning with me? Sarah smiled weakly. Yes, Ali, I am liking this way. Ali laughed softly, but with kindness. Ali, not everything needs ing. Some verbs show states, not actions. Just say, I like this way, correct form. I like this way, wrong. I am liking this way. Mistake number 6. I didn't went. Sarah looked down. Ali, yesterday I didn't went to class because I was scared. Ali shook his head slowly. Ali, Sarah, remember after didn't, the verb must stay simple. It should be, I didn't go, correct form, I didn't go. Wrong, I didn't went. Mistake number 7, I am having a pen. Ollie handed her a notebook. Write your goals here, Sarah. Okay, I am having a pen. Let me write it. Ali smiled kindly. Ali, some verbs don't need continuous form. Just say, I have a pen. Correct form, I have a pen. Wrong, I am having a pen. Mistake number 8. She didn't told me. Sarah. Ali, my teacher was strict. She didn't told me the right answer. Ali shook his head. Ali, Sarah after didn't. The verb must stay simple. It should be, she didn't tell me. Correct. She didn't tell me. Wrong. She didn't told me. Mistake number 9. Discuss about Sarah. Tomorrow, I will discuss about my problems with the teacher. Ollie smiled gently. Ollie, you don't need about. The word discuss already means talk about. Just say, I will discuss my problems. Correct. Discuss the problem. Wrong. Discuss about the problem. Mistake number 10. I am understanding. Sarah. Yes, Ollie. Now I am understanding better. Ollie. Some verbs don't take continuous form, Sarah. Just say, I understand better. Correct? I understand. Wrong? I am understanding. By the end of the evening, Sarah looked at Ollie with hope. Every mistake she made had turned into a lesson. See, Sarah. Your failures were not the end. They were only the beginning of your English journey. Which of these mistakes have you made the most? Write it in the comments. I'm curious to see how many of us share the same struggles. And just like Sarah, if you've been making these mistakes, don't worry, you can fix them too. Stay connected with this channel because every video will bring you closer to fluent English.